Hi, this is Randy Woodruff for Suncoast CPA Group. I want to talk to you today about getting your business ready to be sold. I'm sure most of you watching this have sold a house, maybe multiple houses, and you know that when you get ready to sell your house, you go through and you freshen up the landscaping, maybe put a fresh coat of paint on, get all the little things that are wrong with the house ready to be sold. So when a buyer comes in, everything looks nice and fresh. We call it putting lipstick on a pig, so to speak. And same thing you want to do with your business, but you just can't do that a month or two out before you get ready. So it has to be done 3 years out, preferably, or more, because you want to make sure that when someone's coming in to buy your business, there's fewer and fewer questions to answer, just like when you're selling your house. If you've got appliances that don't work, you've got, rotted structures, or maybe some damage that came from water leaks or termites or whatever. Getting all that stuff fixed takes away all those questions. And so same thing with selling your business. If your tax returns don't make sense compared to what, in terms of revenue, compared to the money going into the checking account, matching back to your sales tax returns, all different kinds of things that need to be all tied together. If all those things are matching, then it just creates more questions for the buyer, and potentially could reduce the price that you actually sell the business for. Also, too, if you're thinking about selling your business and you have processes, systems in place, that helps a buyer know that they're not just buying a job, they're buying a business, they're buying an operation, they're buying a system that is somewhat or mostly self-sustaining, so they aren't having to, if they want to buy it more of in a managerial or passive role, the more structure you have, the more likely you are to get a higher number and to sell your business quicker. So a lot of stuff goes into selling a business, just like a house, but that planning that has to go into selling your business needs to start not just a month or two before you want to list it, but years before you actually want to start listing it. Because if I'm advising a client that's buying a business, I tell them, let's get 3 years tax returns so we can see the trends, see the history, and then if that history is different than what the seller is trying to ask for the business in terms of revenue and sales price and expenses, all those things, I start throwing up caution signs or warning signs as to the legitimacy of the data we're actually looking at, and in terms, and also the value. Also, too, if you're looking to sell your business and the buyer needs financing, going to a bank or an SBA-backed loan, the bank or SBA-backed loan is going to want to do a appraisal of the business. And so, if there's I'll say income that's not showing up in the books of the business from prior years, and or expenses that that don't belong, it just makes that appraisal process more difficult, and it's probably going to wind up not appraising for what you think it should, and therefore that would either result in a sale not happening or you taking a lower price to actually sell your business. So again, I want to make sure that everybody understands, if you're selling your business, you need to plan years before you actually want to take it to market to make sure that you get the highest and best sales price, and that you have as smooth as process as possible. So here at Suncoast CPA Group, I'm also a realtor, and I've got my license in Berkshire Hathaway, and I help clients buy and sell businesses as well. Being a CPA for almost 30 years, I've got a lot of experience in numbers and balance sheets and profit and loss statements and cash flow that the banks and you should be looking at when you're buying a business and or selling a business. So please give us a call here at Suncoast CPA Group. Definitely want to help you out and start putting a plan together today that we can execute in the future when you actually want to sell that business. So suncoastcpagroup.com. Or call us at 352-596-2883, and please like and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you.